In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 columns of text in Canva. Let's get started by opening Canva and heading to your main dashboard. From here, either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add your 2-column layout. Any document size will work for this, but something like an A4 or standard presentation slide is usually easiest to experiment with. Once your design is open, the first thing to do is add a text box. Go to the left-hand side panel and click on the text option. Then choose a text style, or simply add a basic text box. Type in the content that you'd like to appear in your first column. Don't worry about the formatting just yet. You can refine that once both columns are in place. Now, position this first text box roughly where you want the left column to sit. A good rule of thumb is to leave a margin on the left side so your design doesn't feel cramped. You can use Canva's alignment guides, which appear as pink lines, to help you center things vertically or align them neatly with other elements on the page. To create the second column, we're going to duplicate the first text box so the size, font, and styling stay consistent. Click on the text box, then use the duplicate option in the top toolbar, or simply copy and paste it. Drag this duplicated text box to the right side of the page. Try to leave a similar amount of space between the edge of the design and each column so it looks balanced. Again, watch for those alignment guides to help you keep both columns on the same horizontal line. Now you can replace the text in the second column with whatever content you need there. If your text is long, adjust the height of each text box by dragging the handles on the edges. You want the 2 columns to be similar in length so the layout feels clean and professional. At this point, take a moment to tweak your formatting. Adjust the font size, line spacing, and alignment inside each text box. If you want a more traditional column look, keep your text left-aligned. You can also slightly narrow each text box to create more white space between the 2 columns, making them easier to read. When everything looks even and readable, zoom out to see your full page. If you're happy with the spacing, you're done. You've successfully created 2 columns of text in Canva.